Hello guys, welcome back to Fly High. My name is Florin and today we're gonna review and unboxing Ryobi One Plus. These are our new machines for cutting woods. It's going to look amazing with battery. It's giving a lot of speed here, it says, and many things. They promise us 31 meters to cut with one battery of 5 amperes and many more things. Yeah, let's open and see what it's inside. Like the same, good boxing. Whoa, that's very big manual. They are in many language. There is one of this, so we have with what cut. Okay, this looks to be a pipe. We're going to see for what. And there is the machine. Wow. Ooh, this looks amazing. I really like it. This looks to be really great. There are a few things more here, but I think this one should go out. Or maybe not. Yeah, I think so, because it should be like this. There is a speed adjustment here. See, there is a, and also here I think so, it's an adjustment for speed. There is a block here. Ah, I think now is this to adjust the angle when you cut, and then you lock. There's no staying anymore, right? Yeah. Let's put now the blade. But first, let's put the battery and see how it's filled with the battery. Well, it's not so heavy, good enough to cut and work all day with. I think with 5 amperes battery you can cut all the day, depending how much you cut and how much you use the battery. If you use only for this machine, whoa, but I hear that it's not making very much noise. The sound of the machine is a little bit quiet, and I like that, because the noise will be when we're gonna cut. So let's put the blade. Perfect. I see that the machine is stopping right away. For example, I saw some machines they were going few more times, but this one it's really great, like not losing the energy of the battery. You see, it's stopping right away when I'm taking away the finger, and that's amazing. And as you see, the speed here from the top, when you cut something more that you don't want to break the blade or something, and it's maybe in curves, you want to use a lower speed. So now let's see how it's working. Let's give a test. We got this piece of wood. Now let's see how it's going to go in. Definitely gonna go nice, and let's go with a slow speed and see how it's going to work. Going like in the cheese. The new knives go great. Now we are on the half speed. Maximum. This looks great. I see that on the high speed is going to be much better here. Let's cut again and see how it's going with the high speed on. No, it's the same. But yeah, it looks to be really great. It's cutting perfectly. You'll definitely love it because it's not so heavy. Definitely you can work all the day and cut and play with. Let's see if it's going to the curves. What I have done, I think that really amazing. The blade looks to be still normal and not having any problems. Everything looks very nice. I like it. I mean, the cut was so sharp and nice. Like you see here, it's going great. Let's do it again. I start to like it a lot. You see here, so it's going in the really great way. I like it. The noise he's making was because it was not stable on the table. So it's very thin here, as you see here. So it's going really great. Yeah. Definitely you're gonna love the machine. So I hope you enjoy. Oh, because of the two sharps, I think these knives are not for this exactly, because I don't know if you see that. Let me take off the blade if it's not to work. Oh. It's really warm after maybe. I think the blade is not made for this. To make it exactly like this I need a smaller one. I'm not a professional one. It was burning a little bit, but this is because the blade is not for making curves like this, no, like I made here. It was burning a little bit, and I think was also because the speed was too high, and yeah, it's happening to something like this. I was just making the test, so this is why it was getting burning this, but definitely it's still working. And be careful when you do all this, so you use the right blade for right things you do. If you make something like this, you need a small one, small knives here. This is too big for making this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with what do you think about the machine. I will be very happy if you'll tell me if you like or not this mark or not. Yeah, see you in the next video.